Now let's discuss what not to include on your header row. Avoid placing ads or unrelated content in the header, as this can be distracting and make your website look kind of unprofessional. Remember that the header row should be clean, visually appealing, and focused on your brand and website navigation. Overloading it with too many elements or having too many elements in the header row can be overwhelming for visitors, so just be sure to prioritize the most important elements there. Don't use too many colors or fonts. Using too many different colors or fonts in the header can make that header row look cluttered and unprofessional too. As we design our header rows, we also need to consider how they'll reformat for mobile devices. And this is important because more and more users are accessing websites primarily from their smartphones and tablets. Your theme or page builder will most likely create this for you automatically, but you may have some ability to design it as well. Your menu will likely be hidden behind a hamburger menu to collapse the navigation items, or maybe a button that says menu. In any case, check how it looks and behaves on a phone before you go live. While you're checking the menu on mobile, check the rest of your header. Make sure your logo remains visible and that any call to action buttons or contact information are still easily accessible.